Cleo and a traditional bank app may both help you manage your money, but they are built for completely different purposes. Cleo focuses on budgeting, financial insights, and cash advances for eligible users, while a traditional bank app is designed to manage your checking, savings, and other bank accounts. By the end of this video, you'll know what each option does best, and which one is the smarter choice for the way you handle your money. If you're trying to choose between them, the answer is simple. Cleo is smarter if you want extra financial guidance and money management tools. A traditional bank app is smarter if your priority is handling everyday banking securely and efficiently. Let's start with Cleo. Cleo connects to your financial accounts to help you monitor spending, organize your budget, and understand where your money is going. The app is designed to give users a clearer picture of their financial habits instead of simply displaying account balances. Eligible users may also have access to cash advances and other financial features, depending on their account and eligibility. Because everything is managed through the Cleo app, it's intended to be more than just a place to check your balance. Now compare that with a traditional bank app. A bank's mobile app is built around your accounts with that financial institution. You can check balances, transfer money, pay bills, deposit checks if supported, review transaction history, and manage account settings. The primary goal is to help you access banking services quickly and securely. Most bank apps are not designed to coach you on your spending habits or provide personalized budgeting insights beyond basic account information. They focus on account management rather than financial guidance. So which one is smarter? Choose Cleo. If you want an app that helps you understand your spending, manage your budget, and access additional financial tools if you're eligible, choose a traditional bank app if your main priority is managing your bank accounts, making payments, transferring money, and completing everyday banking tasks. For many people, the smartest solution isn't choosing one over the other. It's using both together. Your bank app handles your money, while Cleo helps you understand how you're using it. Here's the bottom line. Cleo is designed to improve financial awareness with budgeting features and other money management tools. A traditional bank app is designed to give you reliable access to your banking services. Since they solve different problems, they often complement each other instead of competing directly. Your next step is to decide whether you're looking for better money management or better banking access. Once you know that, choosing the right app becomes much easier. If this comparison helped you decide, like the video and subscribe for more comparisons of financial apps, digital banking tools, and personal finance platforms.